on the stick, what will happen is these little thorns will be broken off and they'll just be a part of it. And you'll step on this thorn and they are sharp and they will go into you and it will ruin your day. So best to keep some sandals on until you're actually on the beach portion. I have gotten Kiawe a couple times in my feet here just being on the beach. If you get further away from the trees, your chances are always less of finding Kiawe, but never zero. You have to walk through a little patch of trees or some taller grass. There is Kiawe, which looks like this, all over in there. And most of the time when you find it, it won't still be like